Go outside, the snow is falling down and every child is having so much fun. The snowman is twice the size as me with a smile as quirky as mine. We're holding hands to keep each other.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all really well. Today's video was so fun to film. I'm actually just filming the intro after we've already done this. So I decided to host a little North Pole breakfast for my three boys and also for my nephew, and I did it at my sister's house, who is in my bubble. Her and my two nephews are in my bubble. So I transformed her conservatory into a lovely little festive breakfast table, and they had loads of treats, letters to write to Santa, and it was just a really nice, inexpensive thing to do with them at the weekend. Obviously, normally we would probably have booked a fair few days out and been doing things, but I'm definitely trying to find ways to do things from home more, or obviously not going to places like we would do normally, and it was definitely a lot more inexpensive as well. So they had a really lovely time, and I just wanted to show you exactly how I did it, what I used, what I bought, and they just really loved it. They really enjoyed it. So I will get straight into the video, and I hope you enjoy it too.
Okay, so this is the look of the conservatory before I'd done anything. My sister has already got some lovely decorations up, which make it already look pretty festive. But the table is definitely needing to look a little bit more Christmassy, so I got these bows from Home Bargains. There is a pack of two, and I think they were £1.50 each, and they come in different colours. I find these really good. Obviously you can put them on the chairs and make a bow, which is what I did in here, but I will be using these afterwards for decorations around the house. I have got some grey ones that I again got from Home Bargains that I have used for my wreath on the front door, which looks really nice. You could also attach a few together to make a door bow, which I love those door bows that you see people having, and I might actually give that a go with these ones. Next, I am just putting down this wipeable tablecloth. I did have another one that I wanted to use that was red, but it wasn't long enough, unfortunately. But you can pick these up really inexpensive from Home Bargains or B&M. I got this Christmas bunting that was reduced to 50p of these nutcrackers, and these gorgeous little cutlery holders that they can use again on Christmas Day or throughout December, and these balloons that were reduced to 50p also from B&M. My little mug huggers that I'm going to put on their plates, and also some party blowers and crackers that were from B&M, and these straws from Home Bargains, and then this really cute little set from B&M. I got them one of these each, these letters to Santa, which has got really nice little things in. So I just got to decorating, putting this little bunting up. This is really cute. Again, I'm going to use this in one of the boys' rooms after I've finished. So like I say, this was reduced to 50p. I got some of these, basically they're Lucky Charms, but they're much cheaper. These were £2 from Poundland, and I'm just putting them in jars just because I think it looks so much nicer when it's in a jar. And these are cereals that they just never get to have, so they're a real treat. And obviously the shreddies are the frosted ones, so I just think they look a little bit like they're snowy from the North Pole. I am then just putting some of this metallic plastic cutlery that I kept from last Christmas actually into their little cutlery holders. These are so cute. They were £2.50 from B&M, and we're going to use them a lot throughout December, and there were different designs as well if you are interested in them. Next, I am just prepping a little bit of fruit. So I had bananas and strawberries, so I cut both of these up and then sort of arranged them into a sort of candy cane shape. And I also made some little Santa hats as well with them, and put a little blob of cream on the top so that it looked a little bit like a Santa woolly hat. Some of the treats that I decided to do then for breakfast were things like waffles and pancakes, and then I got these frozen croissants and pain au chocolat that I'm just going to pop in the oven. These are obviously things that we don't have very often, so it just made it that little bit more of a treat for them. And I also got some orange juice and just put it in a jug. I just think it makes such a difference if you put it into serveware and, like I say, jars and things. And then with the pancakes, I just used a little gingerbread cutter and cut out the pancakes into gingerbread shapes, and all the offcuts of the pancakes were used as well. I actually cut these up into little pieces and put them in the boys' lunch boxes, and yeah, I just think it looks really cute when they're little gingerbread shapes. And then just dusted the waffles and all those gorgeous pastries with a little bit of snowy looking icing sugar. So now that all the yummy food is all cooked and ready, it is now time to set the table. So I just put out some plates and bowls and put these cute little fairy lights in the middle of the table. And then put their little cutlery holder inside the bowl with a little mini cracker for them to pull. I had kept these again from last Christmas, but you can obviously pick them up really inexpensive from all the budget shops. So I got them some Christmas cups and put a straw in each for them. These were from the works. These are just little table confetti Santa heads. And then I am just adding everything that I have prepared to the table, putting their little letters to Santa packs next to them so that once they've eaten they can sit and write their letter out. Just such a lovely little festive activity to do with the kids. I got these little pots of Nutella from B&M. It's a pack of 4 for around £2.50. The mug huggers you have probably heard me talk about before were from Home Bargains, and then I just put out some candy canes for them all. And then these party hats, again I got them last year, but I have seen some in Home Bargains this year. And that is it all ready. I am so happy with how this turned out. They absolutely loved it. There was just everything there for them, and it was a proper little party as well. So I'm so happy with how it all came together, and it really didn't cost that much at all. Their faces when they came in, you will see in just a minute how excited they were. It was so noisy, so I couldn't keep the volume on of them being so excited, because all you would have heard was party blowers. But yeah, their little faces, they loved it. They had such a lovely time. And then once they had finished eating, then we just cleared the table and let them write their letters to Santa. I think this is definitely something that I'm going to be doing every year for them. A really nice little tradition for us to do in December, and for them to sit down and write their letters. It was just really, really special. So that is the end of my video. I really hope that you enjoyed it. I hope it gave you some ideas, and I would love for you to subscribe, and I will see you again for my next one. Bye everyone.